Can you speak French? Can you speak French?
Est-ce que ou capable parler français?
Yes, I can speak a little French. Yes, I can speak a little French.
Oui, moi capable parler un petit crasse français.
What can you do? What can you do?
Qui ça ou ka fait?
I can do many things, like cooking and playing the guitar. I can do many things, like cooking and playing the guitar.
Moi ka fait un pile bagay, tankou manger ak jouer guitare.
Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question?
Est-ce que moi ka pose yon question?
Of course. Ask away. Of course. Ask away.
Certainement, ou ka pose m question.
Can you help me? Can you help me?
Est-ce que ou ka aider moi?
Sure, I'd be happy to help. Sure, I'd be happy to help.
Certainement, moi tap content aider ou.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
Qui ça moi ka fait pour ou?
There's nothing specific you need to do for me right now. There's nothing specific you need to do for me right now.
Pa gen anyen spécial ou bezwen fè pou mwen kounye ya.
Can you tell me your name? Can you tell me your name?
Est-ce que ou kapab dim non?
My name is Ronald. My name is Ronald.
Non mwen se Ronald.
Can you write in English? Can you write in English?
Est-ce que ou ka ekri en anglais?
Yes, I can write in English. Yes, I can write in English.
Oui, mwen ka ekri en anglais.
Can you understand me? Can you understand me?
Est-ce que ou ka kompran mwen?
Yes, I can understand you perfectly. Yes, I can understand you perfectly.
Oui, mwen kapab kompran nou bien.
Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way?
Est-ce que ou ka montre m chemen yan?
Certainly follow me. Certainly follow me.
Certainement, suiv mwen.
Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me?
Est-ce que ou ka explike sa pou mwen?
Of course, let me explain it to you. Of course, let me explain it to you.
Certainement, kite mwen explike ou li.
Can you come to the party? Can you come to the party?
Est-ce que ou kapab vin nan fèt la?
Unfortunately, I can't come to the party. Unfortunately, I can't come to the party.
Malheureusement, mwen pap ka vini nan fèt la.
Can I have some water? Can I have some water?
Est-ce que mwen kapab gen yon ti dlo?
Of course, here's a glass of water for you. Of course, here's a glass of water for you.
Certainement, men yon fè dlo pou ou.
Can you play the guitar? Can you play the guitar?
Est-ce que ou ka joue guitar?
Yes, I can play a few songs on the guitar. Yes, I can play a few songs on the guitar.
Oui, mwen ka joue kek chante sou guitar.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Est-ce que ou ka fè manger?
Yes, I can cook. Yes, I can cook.
Oui, mwen ka fè manger.
Can you sing? Can you sing?
Est-ce que ou ka chante?
Yes, I can sing. Yes, I can sing.
Oui, mwen ka chante.
Can you dance? Can you dance?
Est-ce que ou ka danser?
Yes, I can dance a little. Yes, I can dance a little.
Oui, mwen ka fè yon ti danser.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Est-ce que ou ka nager?
Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim.
Oui, mwen kapab nager.
Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone?
Est-ce que mwen ka itilize telefon ou an?
Sure, here is my phone. Sure, here is my phone.
Oui, men telefon mwen an.
Can you meet me tomorrow? Can you meet me tomorrow?
Est-ce que ou ka renkontre mwen demen?
Yes, I can meet you tomorrow. Yes, I can meet you tomorrow.
Oui, mwen ka renkontre ou demen.
Can you come to my house? Can you come to my house?
Est-ce que ou ka vini la kay mwen?
Yes, I can come to your house. Yes, I can come to your house.
Oui, mwen ka vini la kay ou.
Can you tell me about your family? Can you tell me about your family?
Est-ce que ou ka pale m de fami ou?
My family includes my parents, a brother, and a sister. My family includes my parents, a brother, and a sister.
Fami mwen se param yo, yon frem ak yon sem.
Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly?
Est-ce que ou ka pale douceman?
Yes, I can speak slowly. Yes, I can speak slowly.
Oui, mwen kapab pale douceman.
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
Est-ce que ou ka repete sa, s'il vous plaît?
Certainly, I'll repeat that for you. Certainly, I'll repeat that for you.
Certainement, mwen pral repete sa pou ou.
Can you show me your passport? Can you show me your passport?
Est-ce que ou ka montre m paspor?
Here is my passport. Here is my passport.
Me paspor mwen.
Can I take a photo with you? Can I take a photo with you?
Est-ce que mwen ka fè yon foto avè ou?
Of course, let's take a photo together. Of course, let's take a photo together.
Certainement, an fè yon foto ansam.